Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Do you ever feel like you can speak English, but when someone talks to you, it's so hard to understand? Don't worry, you are not alone. I had the same problem, but I found some amazing ways to fix it. In today's video, I'm going to share 10 powerful tips to help you improve your English listening skills. By the end of this video, you'll feel much more confident when listening to English speakers. So let's get started. Why? The more you listen to English, the more familiar your brain becomes with the language. Just like learning a song, constant exposure makes words and phrases easier to understand. 1. How to practice. Listen to English podcasts during daily activities like commuting, cooking, or exercising. Watch English news, BBC, CNN, ABC, for real-life conversation styles. Listen to audiobooks on topics you enjoy. Exercise. Choose a 10-minute podcast and listen to it every day for a week. After a week, you'll notice improvement in understanding. 2. Start with slow audio. Why? If you start with fast and complicated English, you might feel frustrated. Slow speech gives you time to process words and understand pronunciation. How to practice. Listen to beginner-friendly podcasts like The English We Speak or ESL Pod. Use the YouTube playback speed feature to slow down fast videos. Choose audiobooks for children because they use clear and simple language. Exercise. Listen to an audiobook at normal speed first. Then slow it down and listen again. Compare how much you understand each time. 3. Use subtitles at first. Why? Reading subtitles helps your brain connect spoken words with their written form, making it easier to recognize them in real conversations. How to practice. Watch movies or TV shows with English subtitles first. Once you understand better, turn off subtitles and test yourself. Use interactive subtitles, like on Netflix or YouTube, to pause and check meanings. Exercise. Watch an episode of your favorite English series twice. First with subtitles to understand the content. Then without subtitles to test your listening skills. 4. Focus on key words. Why? Native speakers don't pronounce every word clearly. They shorten words and speak quickly. Instead of trying to catch every word, focus on important ones. How to practice. Listen for nouns, people, places, things, verbs, actions, and adjectives, descriptions. Ignore filler words like like, and you know. Train your brain to guess the meaning from context. Example, if someone says, "Yesterday I went to the store and bought some apples, bananas, and oranges." Even if you miss some words, you can understand. Yesterday, store, bought, apples, bananas, oranges. Exercise. Listen to a conversation and write down only the key words. Try to guess the full meaning. 5. Improve your pronunciation. Why? If you can pronounce words correctly, it's easier to recognize them when native speakers say them. Many learners struggle with listening because they mispronounce words in their head. How to practice. Use Google Translate or online dictionaries to hear the correct pronunciation of words. Practice minimal pairs, words that sound similar, e.g. ship versus sheep, bit versus beat. Record yourself speaking and compare with native speakers. Exercise. Choose 10 difficult English words, listen to their pronunciation, and repeat them 5 times each until they sound natural. 6. Repeat and shadow. Mimic native speakers. Why? Shadowing, copying what you hear, trains your brain to recognize natural speech patterns, intonation, and pronunciation. How to practice. Choose a short audio clip, 30 seconds to 1 minute. Listen first without repeating, then listen again and repeat immediately after the speaker, copying tone and speed. Exercise. Use TED Talks or YouTube videos. Play a sentence, pause, and say it out loud exactly like the speaker. Repeat multiple times. 7. Listen to different accents. Why? English has many accents: American, British, Australian, Indian, etc. If you only listen to one accent, you may struggle to understand others. How to practice. Watch YouTube videos with different accents. Listen to interviews with people from different English-speaking countries. Try podcasts in British English, BBC Learning English, American English, NPR, VOA, and Australian English, Aussie English Podcast. Exercise. Find 3 different English speakers, 1 British, 1 American, 1 Australian, and listen to their pronunciation of the same sentence. Compare the differences. 8. Ask people to speak slowly. Why? Many native speakers talk fast, making it difficult for learners. It's okay to ask them to slow down. How to practice. If you don't understand, say, "Could you repeat that more slowly, please?" "Sorry, I didn't catch that. Can you say it again?" Don't pretend to understand. Ask questions if needed. Exercise. Next time you talk to an English speaker, try asking them to slow down at least once. See how they react. 9. Join English conversations. Why? Listening passively is helpful, but real conversations force you to listen and respond quickly, improving your understanding. How to practice. Join language exchange programs like Tandem or HelloTalk. Speak with native speakers online via Zoom or WhatsApp. Participate in group discussions or English-speaking clubs. Exercise. Have a 5-minute English conversation with a friend or online partner every day. Focus on understanding, not just speaking. 10. Be patient and keep practicing. Why? Listening skills take time to improve. Many learners give up because they expect instant results, but consistent practice will lead to success. How to stay motivated. Set small listening goals, e.g., I will listen to 15 minutes of English every day. Keep a listening journal. Write new words and phrases you hear. Don't get frustrated if you don't understand everything. Even native speakers sometimes ask, "What did you say?" Exercise. Every night, write down one thing you learned from listening to English that day. This will keep you motivated. Improving listening skills takes time, but with daily practice, you will see results. Start with small steps, and soon you'll understand English speakers with ease. And that's it. Those were 10 powerful tips to improve your English listening skills. Remember, listening is just like any other skill. The more you practice, the better you get. So don't be afraid to make mistakes and keep challenging yourself every day. Which tip did you find the most helpful? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your listening journey. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English learning tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!